In the realm of cryptocurrencies, XRP is one of the most talked about and contentious digital assets, due in large part to its ongoing conflict with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Its price has been fluctuating for years. Uncertainty over the case's conclusion has affected XRP's price ever since the SEC launched its lawsuit against Ripple Labs in December 2020. What would happen then if Ripple prevailed? Could it lead to a price explosion of $10 or more? Let's examine the legal ramifications, the potential consequences of a Ripple triumph, and why it might trigger an unparalleled surge for XRP. The SEC Ripple case will be reviewed in this video, along with the possibility of a Ripple triumph, historical antecedents, and the potential post-lawsuit implications of technicalities and institutional acceptance. Stay tuned as we will explain why this case is the turning point in XRP's history. Let's begin by comprehending the SEC lawsuit. The US SEC sued Ripple Labs in December 2020, alleging that the company's selling of XRP amounted to an unregistered securities offering. The SEC claims that Ripple's XRP breached federal securities rules as it ought to have been registered as a security under US law. The SEC argues that because XRP is a Ripple Labs coin, it is subject to the same regulations as stocks and other securities. They contend that Ripple unfairly benefited from selling XRP to investors without the required registration. However, Ripple has maintained that XRP should not be governed by securities rules since it is a digital currency and not a security. This case started a domino effect. Investors withdrew XRP, exchanges started delisting the coin, and the once promising enterprise encountered a crisis of faith. The fear and uncertainty surrounding the lawsuit caused liquidity to dry up and XRP's price to plummet. The removal of XRP from some of the biggest exchanges in the world, such as Coinbase, at one point severely damaged its liquidity. However, what would XRP and the larger cryptocurrency market stand to gain from a Ripple victory? A court ruling, however, might result in XRP being added back to exchanges and a recovery of market liquidity. An enormous inflow of funds into XRP would probably result from investors feeling more confident. Let's now examine a few past legal triumphs in the cryptocurrency industry. Grayscale's dispute with the SEC regarding their Bitcoin ATF is a significant case that is frequently likened to the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit. In order to change its Bitcoin trust into a Bitcoin spot ETF, Grayscale submitted a petition. The application was first denied by the SEC nevertheless, on the grounds that there was insufficient investor protection and market manipulation. But in 2021, a U.S. Court of Appeals decided in Grayscale's favor, thereby compelling the SEC to reevaluate its stance. This court victory was significant for the entire crypto community, not just Grayscale. This showed that the SEC's position against Bitcoin investments may be challenged in court. Grayscale's legal battle is comparable to Ripple's situation. Both cases have the potential to establish significant precedents and contest the SEC's perspective on digital assets. Should Ripple prevail, it may indicate to authorities and courts that cryptocurrencies such as XRP are not securities in the conventional sense. More advantageous regulatory treatment of digital assets may result from this. Let's now examine XRP's pricing technicalities. It's important to remember that the litigation has caused XRP to be trapped in a protracted phase of consolidation. However, what occurs when the litigation is concluded? A significant bullish breakthrough is possible, and many analysts think it might resemble the 2017 rise in XRP. One of the most significant price spikes in cryptocurrency history occurred in 2017, when XRP shot up from less than $1 to an all-time high of $3.50. The enthusiasm about XRP's potential as a quick and inexpensive cross-border payment method was a major factor in this increase. Even if the market as a whole was also experiencing a bull market, XRP's distinct stance and alliances with significant financial institutions aided in its ascent. In the present day, we observe parallels in the current chart of XRP. While awaiting the outcome of the SEC case, the asset has been consolidating in a narrow range for a long time. There's a good chance that XRP will surge once the uncertainty is removed, emulating the 2017 spectacular rally. According to some analysts, XRP's price may rise well above its prior highs if it prevails in the lawsuit. The cup and handle formation is one important technological pattern that is being closely observed. When the price breaks above the handle's resistance level, this pattern, which has been developing on the XRP chart for a number of years, usually indicates a significant bullish breakout. The price of XRP may rise beyond $10 and possibly even closer to its all-time high if it overcomes this obstacle. Institutional adoption is another important consideration. By collaborating with significant financial organizations like Santander American Express and SBI Holdings, Ripple has previously made progress. Many other banks and financial organizations, however, have been reluctant to embrace XRP because of the legal ambiguity. These institutions would probably require more of Ripple's on-demand liquidity or DL service, which uses XRP for cross-border payments. The circulation of XRP may rise significantly as a result, increasing the token's value even further. Let's talk about the bear case now. What happens if the SAC challenges the ruling? Appeals can prolong the process, as we've seen in previous court cases, and years of more legal ambiguity may result if the SAC chooses to contest a decision that favors Ripple. An appeal would postpone the case's final settlement, which would probably keep the price of XRP unchanged or possibly lower it even further. If the SAC's appeal is granted, XRP may be forced into a protracted regulatory limbo, which would have a short-term negative impact on its price. What does all of this signify for XRP then? There's no doubting that the outcome of this litigation will be the primary driver of XRP's future, regardless of whether you are a fervent supporter or a skeptic. If Ripple prevails, there may be a significant price spike that might take XRP above $10 as institutional adoption is encouraged and market sentiment is raised by regulatory certainty. However, the price might remain unchanged and we would have to deal with years of legal ambiguity if the SAC files an appeal or if Ripple loses. For XRP, this is the pivotal time. If you're prepared for the Ripple verdict, hit the like button. Tell us where you stand, if you think Ripple will prevail, and whether you think XRP will reach new heights in the comments section below. For more updates on XRP, the SAC case, and all things cryptocurrency, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. According to experts, Ripple's ODL solution has the potential to revolutionize cross-border money transfers and establish itself as a key component of cross-border transactions. Future developments in technology are also anticipated. Innovations that strengthen Ripple's position in the market may result from its focus on improving the XRP ledger's scalability and efficiency. Analysts are hopeful, predicting that if these trends materialize, XRP may not only return to its prior highs, but also hit previously unheard of heights. Market forecasts are a flurry of activity. Due to growing adoption and advantageous regulatory clarity, some analysts predict that XRP will soon surpass $5. The cryptocurrency community is overwhelmingly in favor of Ripple, with many people thinking that a victory will establish a precedent that will help the whole sector. As we continue to keep an eye on these fascinating events, stay tuned. We're excited to watch how things develop since XRP and Ripple have a bright future.